What are the points for pharma production schedule? Asprova is used around 50 leading pharma companies. Why? I'll introduce the basic 3 points. Before then, I tell you that pharma companies are different from others. Most of our clients use Asprova for efficiency, reducing lead time, stock, but pharma factories want correct manufacturing process that keeps rules and international regulations. Well, back to the 3 points. First one, precise manufacturing time. 2. Setup time and teardown time. 3. Typical one for pharma. Time constraint. First one, precise manufacturing time. Asprova has standard 15 ways to set the speed of machines. This is Asprova resource Gantt chart. And gray zone shows work time. This white zone probably lunchtime. And click the button, you can get the schedule. Asprova works depending on master. This is master table, and item A is defined here. The second process, filtration, have 2 machines. Alternative. Filtrate 1's speed defined here, 70 seconds. You can change here as you like, and when you click the cell, you can get this gray button and click. You can have subtable, setting example. Basic one, 15th, and more detailed one. You can set as you like. To manage setup time and teardown time is very important for factories with a lot of machines. Setup times often need to change along with the previous jobs. Asprova covers them easily. The previous 2 settings are usually required for scheduling software by factories with a lot of machines, but pharma factories need more specific. 3. Specific one for pharma. Time constraint. Please look at the yellow order, which consists of 3 processes, jobs. Focus the first job and second job. There is around 1 hour between the 2 jobs. Drugs often need to set this period, max time and minimum time. Metal parts usually don't request it. They don't change in weeks in a warehouse, but drugs change, and often it's fatal. The scheduler software needs to set the period in the min and max. Asprova makes it possible with if 1,000 orders in a minute. Pharma factories have many other needs, but Asprova covers them with around 3,000 functions instead of programming. Please like, comment, share, and register.